everyone, welcome to the video. I'm just going to walk and let's have a look at the sights and explore. Let's do this. Going to St Mary's Islands. Let's go. This is Dockside. Going to St Mary's Islands right now. Let's explore. This is the docks near the river. Dockside. Now let's go to the bridge where we see and explore St Mary's Islands. Let's go. Now on the bridge to St Mary's Islands. Which is over here, just there in front of me. Let's do this. Hello everyone, I'm here at St Mary's Islands, just on a walk. And let's see the sights. Let's do sightseeing. Let's do this. Hello everyone, this is the POV. Now going near the river. Let's have a look. Not the best day to be filming, but a bit overcast. But I love filming, so let's do this. Let's go. Everyone, we are at the river now in St Mary's Islands. Quite a nice place. Got boats out to sea. Let's go this way. We're on a walk. Lovely river. Lovely riverside walk. This is St Mary's Islands near Dockside. Bit grey and low, but a bit overcast. But it is winter, so let's do this. Explore. Right everyone, this is the Upnor Castle, just there. That's Upnor Castle. We're still at the river. Just on a riverside walk. Thank you so much for watching. Peace. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, share. See you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed.